Hi, I'm Russ Abbott, founder and CEO of tattoosmart. Over the past few months, tattoosmart has been working tirelessly to develop the highest quality 3D models for Procreate. These models were thoughtfully designed to include details important to tattooists while achieving the highest possible resolution for Procreate and iPad capabilities. 3D models are still very new to Procreate, so I wanted to give you all a detailed look at what we've been working on and finally introduce you to our model humans. tattoosmart has been working with an expert 3D team to create these models with tattooists in mind. Model humans feature both male and female versions of 3 body types, small, medium, and large. Each model human includes 6 popular areas as separate USDZ files or 3D models. For example, if we take a look at Jenna, our small female model human, included is Jenna's full body, torso, arms, and legs. Let's take a closer look at Jenna's full body. At first glance, you'll notice the superior quality of our models, with the level of detail including skin textures, fingerprints, and underwear. To drop a skin tone, go to your palettes and select your desired color. Drag and drop the colors circle onto the model to color fill. Now that you have accurately represented your client, you can now begin to add artwork to your model human. You can sketch and draw directly on the models using your normal Procreate brushes or flash stamps, or import your pre-drawn designs for a lifelike representation or to experiment with fit and placement. Designing tattoos in 3D can help you communicate better with your clients during consultations and market your work to a wider audience. tattoosmart's model humans are the perfect tools to push your artist's vision forward, creating and visualizing your artwork in new ways, while giving your client a clear understanding of their project and the value of the design process. tattoosmart is thrilled to be bringing you the best 3D models made for tattooists. Meet tattoosmart's model humans.